this video we are going to do demo test. So very first we have to open up Play Store from your mobile phone. Open the Play Store. Once the Play Store is there, you have to write down over here, search for secure assessment. So write down the secure assessment in it, and the icon of this is like this. After that, click on install. So when you are going to install this software, I'm going to accept it, and you will be receiving a pop-up. So you have to click allow for every pop-up you are receiving while installing this software. So once this software is being installed, after that we will go for a open. So when you are going to open it, it will be asking for the access token, right? So now we are going to perform a demo. So in that case, my access token is, please make a note of it, LPUNEST demo hyphen 2020. That is LPUNEST demo hyphen 2020. Now I am going to click on a open. So right now I'm going to it looks like this. So after cocubes.in, I have to enter the demo access key, access token. It's LPUNEST demo, everything is in a small letter, demo, then hyphen, then we have to enter 2020. That's it, right? Once you are done with it, click on continue, and now see it is saying enable location to continue. So what we have to do, you have to click on a OK. We have to enable our location. So we are going to our location. Now see location services, this is turn off. I have to on it. So once I enabled my location, I have to go back. So after going back, I have to again click on continue. Now it is showing you will not be able to access any other app while assessment is ongoing. Now click on OK button. So once you clicked on the OK button, then this will be there, this page. Now asking for an application number. We have to enter any dummy application number. It should begins with capital LPU. After that, write down any dummy number, any number you are writing. Similarly, email ID. So again, we have to enter any dummy ID. So I'm writing over here any dummy ID. For example, it's cup21 at the rate. I have to enter gmail.com. Actually, I'm entering any dummy ID. It's not any ID. Done. After that, we have to click on course, select. Now there are number of courses. Now my course is BTech, so I'm going to select on a BTech. So there is a subject chemistry, physics and English already selected. You are having a choice between biology and mathematics. So you have to select any of one. So I'm selecting mathematics. After that, I have to click on a start assessment. So when you are clicking on a start assessment, you will be facing some error over there, like login error. So need not to worry over there. Just change application number once, or you can change your like email ID once, then it work, right? So after this kind of webcam proctored assessment will be open. So now see over here we are having a accept, over here we are having a start now. Click on accept, click on start now. Then your camera started, like this is your camera, web camera is started. Now after this web camera, such kind of window is there, right? So you have to click your image. After clicking your image, you have to click on a start test. So once you clicked on a start test, your test will be there, and it looks like this. Cocubes, timer is there, your picture is there, questions are there, next button is there, and see one thing, mark for review. So you are having a limit that you can like mark any 5 questions for a review, and later on you can view these questions number of time, but the limit is only 5. Like when you are clicking on this icon, this icon, now over there the question palettes are there. So question looks like this. So like these yellow questions are the question you marked for review, and see maximum limit is 5, right? So in this way you have to attempt your demo test, and in the very last you will be having submit and logout. So after that you have to click on a submit and logout to submit your test. I hope every instruction is clear.